Subscribe and click on the notification bell. Ten world's leading food-producing countries. China. It is among three largest producers of milk, chicken, and beef. China is the fourth largest agricultural producer-exporter. United States also holds the top place as the greatest meat consumer per capita, and is among countries which throw away the largest amount of food despite 48 million Americans living in food-insecure households. Brazil. It is the ninth largest economy in the world, mainly due to agriculture production, which accounts for a large share of its gross domestic product. India. India is the second largest producer of milk and rice. It also ranks high as chicken and beef producer. Russia. Russia, because of its involvement in Ukraine crises, President Vladimir Putin responded by banning food imports from EU, US and other countries. France. France is among top 10 countries in production of milk and beef, and among top 20 chicken and pork producers. 18% of total EU food production comes from France. Mexico. The country's agricultural export is estimated at more than $10 billion, with annual agriculture production growth. One of Mexico's main markets is the US. Japan. Japanese mostly consume rice and fish, but eat less meat compared to US and EU citizens. Germany. Interestingly, Germany strongly opposes genetically modified organisms, and earlier this year made a move to stop GMO crop cultivation. Turkey. The country also has one of the highest export growth rate in the world because agricultural export has tripled during last decade.